Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Seminyak area on Drupadi Street and Camplung Tanduk Street during the pandemic corona on October 2021. If you want to know how the situation right there at the moment during this pandemic corona, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, now we are in Drupadi Street. In this area is very famous for the villa area in Seminyak. And this area to go to the central of Seminyak is around 5 minutes by walk. It's not so far away. So that's why in this area before the pandemic corona, there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk to go to central to do some shopping, or they go to the restaurant. But yeah, during the pandemic corona, in this area still very quiet. You see right side, there's the villa. One car parking there, that's good. It's better than nothing actually. I explored this area on Drupadi Street because I have requests from my one customer in YouTube. They asking me to explore in this area because they are been stay here for a long time before. But since during the pandemic corona, they cannot back to Bali. And if you see the weather today, it's very beautiful. I mean, it's very clear, very sunny. As I told you before, I'm gonna say like a 90% of all the year, Bali is very sunny. Only sometime in the night time there was raining. There's tourists on the sidewalk. I'm really happy to see that. Left side, right side, there is the villa. And on this area there is not so much shop. Oh, look at that, on motorbike. I see the tourists driving on motorbike. That's very good. So, is anyone been stay in this area before? Yeah, for sure. I think you will be really missing this area because in this area is very nice. It's like connecting to go to central of Seminyak, and also you can go to Seminyak beach from this street. It's not so far away. It's around 10 minutes by walk to the Seminyak beach. Right side is hotel. Left side, some villa. Also some shop actually. Today I'm driving very slow because I want to show you how look like the real condition at the moment in this area. And today I make a video around 8 minutes without skip. So you will see how the real situation at the moment in this area. Harris Hotel Seminyak right side. Also look empty. It's very sad, isn't it? And our government ministries say will be open for international tourism on this month. And for this month, we have like 4 countries allowed to come to Indonesia. Oh, look at that. It's very quiet, isn't it? But the weather is very beautiful. Okay guys, I want to say really thank you very much for your support to this channel. You already watched my video, share video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because I believe there is a lot of people missing this area. And also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. You see right side is Tijili Hotel. Oh, some car parking there. That's good. There's some people stay there. And left side there is the villa. But the road is so quiet. Do you see big building left side? There is Courtyard Hotel by Marriott, the biggest hotel in this area. Okay, at the front there is also the big hotel. If I turn right, there is the way to go to Seminyak Beach. It's around 5 minutes by walk, just around 400 meters. But now we turn left to explore Camplung Tanduk Street. Left side, Courtyard Hotel by Marriott. Yeah, some people there. And right side, left side, there is some shop in this area. There is a lot of shop. So before the pandemic corona, there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk usually. But I see there is still a lot of shop closed. Oh, that is shop is open left side. That's good. Yeah, also this left side shop is open. I'm really happy to see that. And on this area there is also very famous street because the Camplung Tanduk is connecting by the beach and Legian Street. And usually there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk before the pandemic corona. Gay bar right side. Yeah, in the night time there is a lot of people on this area because when the nightclub is open, lots of people go to the gay bar. It's very beautiful day today, isn't it? It's very clear. It's very nice. Sham shop, Sham restaurant is already open in this area. You see left side, there is a shop. That is open. Right side, left side, yeah, the shop is open. That's good. It's very beautiful street, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Seminyak area on Drupadi Street and Camplung Tanduk Street. So if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.